This honey, lemon, and cinnamon drink will help you lose pounds in 1 week. It is a well-known fact that the most effective way to lose excess weight is a combination of a healthy and balanced diet and regular exercise. However, there are useful natural ways to accelerate these effects, burn fat, and improve overall health. Here is how to prepare a natural weight loss recipe by combining natural ingredients. The juice from half a lemon, a tablespoon of honey, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a glass of warm water. Instructions: in a glass, mix the lemon juice and honey, add the cinnamon, and stir. Then, pour the lukewarm water, and drink the mixture immediately. Repeat once daily, every morning, on an empty stomach. This powerful combination will detoxify your body, energize the body, and stimulate the weight loss process. It will alkalize the body and thus help the breaking down of fats. Moreover, the pectin in lemon prevents food cravings by causing satiety. Cinnamon, on the other hand, will regulate the insulin production and the breaking down of carbs. Take this incredibly beneficial natural drink every morning. Don't forget, this is not a magic drink. This drink will just speed up your metabolism and the fat-burning process. You must do the cardio exercises and will see the results in a week. After a while, everyone will start noticing the improvements in your appearance. If you like the video, give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share with your friends. You can also visit our blog, and you will see high-value content for your health, as well as natural solutions that we propose for many types of diseases. Until the next video. Bye.